Alright guys, got the coffee, business hour is about to begin. Here's the rundown. Again, I'm going to link a description, or in the description below, I'm going to link the video where I learned a lot of this stuff and got the plans for this at. Okay, so here we have the Stator core. Inside of that goes this here mount, Stator mount, that slides in, clicks in nicely. These threaded rods will be clip in at the back. I'm currently printing another piece. That's going to be the second half of the Stator mount. Let's see, we've got these spools, 3 spools. Can't talk and work at the same time. What we need to do is label these as phase A, B, and C. So I'm going to call this one A. So you can just stab myself with the wire there. So you can see I taped the crap out of these because I didn't want them running around and uncoiling themselves. Phase B. And phase C. So we're getting closer to actually winding this stator. I'm getting a little more and more nervous, I ain't gonna lie. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. And it's different. This pops in and out so beautifully. Gosh, I'm excited. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Here we go. Can't just wait around, not spooling forever. Let me double check the video. Let me watch this. Let me click on this for the 10,000th time. It is actually my first click on my YouTube. Let's see if I can show you guys. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see my screen here. I hope so. But when I click on YouTube, it's the first video that comes up.
Hi, how are you?
Alrighty. Here we go. Here's he's doing the winding. Okay, so I was checking to see what his first stroke is. His first stroke is a downward stroke. Hawky-talky. I'm going to try to show you guys what I'm doing here, which means I'm not going to be looking at it. So when I say downward stroke, hope you could see it from the video there. He had his loose end here. Let me tape it off. First moving downward along the stator. Alright, let's start actually here. I want to give myself just an absolute ton of slop here. So because I have to wire this with something else. Let's see. He says you do this 4 times. Let's see. Twice. Nope. More presents. I hope it's magnets. It's not magnets, it's bearings! Yay! Let's see what we got. It's bearings. We know what we got. We got bearings. Or maybe just one bearing. I can't wait. Gives me instructions on how to take apart the box. Like that, I guess. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, man. Alright, let's see. Where does that fit? Fits onto the stator mount here. And the guy said if it's a little loose, which it appears that it is, I've got just a very tiny amount of play there. You can use just a tape. He says don't use blue painters. Don't use painter's tape though. Hot diggity! Arrgh.